Autism does present differently in girls to boys. What we know is that girls are very good at kind of reading what other people are doing and kind of using those behaviours themselves as a way to kind of mask their difficulties.
Often our assessment style might differ for girls and women. Typically with girls and women, difficulties can be a lot more subtle. We know that often with the girls and women that we meet, they've learnt ways of managing in the world. So it might be actually when they are in social situations, they're often like chameleons. They will look around and they will mirror and they will copy and they will just look at what everyone else is doing and try and be like everyone else. So it might lead to sometimes having low self-esteem or having a low self-worth and not really knowing how to be themselves in that situation. It's also exhausting for that person to keep that up all day when they're in social situations, when they're at school, if they're at work. So what they do then when they get home, often that results in them kind of having a really, really difficult time and then relaxing and then being themselves. So when they get home, it might result in them becoming frustrated and angry. They might become angry at family members. It might also result to them when they get home just needing time completely by themselves, and they might want to withdraw then from family members, which can be tricky for families to accept, but actually that's an important time for them to just reset and feel relaxed and feel like they can be themselves.
Often girls as well, their special interests are quite typical interests for girls anyway, so it might be arts and crafts or animals or reading, that kind of thing. So it might not be always easy to tell that that is a special interest to them. People are often worried about whether we would be able to pick up autism in girls in our assessments. We are very skilled and experienced in recognising autism in girls. Even when they are kind of masking, we have ways of identifying that